Hi, welcome to Projects with Steve. This is part 3 of my video series covering my backyard shed build. On this video, we're going to be framing the walls. So it's exciting to see the shape and the size of the shed coming together once the first wall gets stood up. So here I'm just starting to cut the 2x4s and place them. My studs are going to be 16 inches on center spacing. Right here I'm just setting up a stop block and cutting all the vertical 2x4s to the same size. The stop block allows you to cut them without having to measure each one, and so then just lay those out 16 inches apart and framing it together with my framing nailer. This is now the next day, and I recruited my dad to come and help me stand up these walls and get them framed. So here in the picture, initially I made the walls 7 foot 10 inches high, and as we stood this first wall up and stood back and looked at it, it seemed a little tall for the proportion of my backyard and my house, and I didn't want to have any issues with the city as far as the shed being too tall compared to the height of my house. So we don't cover it here in the video, but we did take that wall back down and chop 6 inches off it. So the actual height of these walls are 7 foot 4 inches. If you have any questions or comments on how I decided to frame the walls for my shed, please leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can stay up to date as new videos get posted on the progress of my shed build. Now we have all 4 walls framed and standing. On that front side of the shed, in the center will be where the door is to the shed, and then there'll be a window on each side of that door. Those windows haven't been framed out yet. Right now, with the help of my wife, I'm installing a 2x4 along the top, all the way around the shed. This acts as the double top plate, and that helps distribute the weight of the roof once that's installed. The double top plate also helps connect all 4 walls together by how it overlaps the walls. Here's a picture with all 4 walls framed and standing. Thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can stay up to date on the progress of my backyard shed build and any other projects that I get into. And I'll see you on the next video where we install the roof trusses.